Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a brilliantly blue hair gel with bamboo extract and butterfly pea flower powder. Use distilled water if you're making this for someone else. Use the cap to add tiny drops at a time, unless you have a dropper handy, of course. Neodefend is gluconolactone SB. It's a water-soluble preservative, so add it to the water phase. "72-hour moisture" is supposed to improve the moisturizing power of this recipe. It contains saccharide isomerate, which improves hydration. Now I moved the gel into a mason jar and allowed it to sit overnight. Patience is your friend when making a gel with Sepumex Zen. Now, the morning of recording this video, I gave the gel a stir manually to make sure that everything was well dissolved. Now look at this beautiful blue gel. I love how this gel came out. This particular gel has a firm hold depending on how much you use, so it could feel a little bit crispy, okay? So be careful about how much of it you're applying to your hair. That's it, guys. Enjoy this lovely DIY gel. Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list instructions, my notes, and other information, follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.